wrapped up around 1 o'clock today, and not much has changed. More jurors have been chosen for the pool, and again, only a handful of the public have been involved. So far, Chad Daybell's trial has been quieter than his wife, Lori Vallow Daybell's trial.
I mean, it's kind of like a re-release of a movie. You know, they've already seen all the facts.
Even so, a juror from Lori Vallow Daybell's case is back in the courtroom. Tom Evans says he'll be watching this trial for his new book.
I was so proud of everything, and I wanted to tell that story because we've seen so much negative when it comes to the police or the court systems or whatever. This was something that was positive, I felt like.
Although he is happy with Lori Vallow Daybell's sentencing, it has been something he's had to live with, and he's thankful he was not put in the position that the new jurors might be.
It would have been really hard for me to sentence somebody to death. It would have cost me something.
The possibility of the death penalty is one of the reasons attorney Ryan Black says the selection of the jurors is so in-depth.
You got to find somebody that's not willing to automatically impose the death penalty, but that is also not completely against the death penalty. So you got to find somebody kind of right in the middle.
Another reason selection is taking so long is because of Lori Vallow Daybell's high-profile case.
So they got to find people that don't know about what happened here, that don't know the facts already. And that's going to be tough.
The judge is looking for 50 potential jurors, the 12 necessary jurors, as well as 6 alternates.
You never know if a juror is going to get the flu, if a juror is going to get halfway through the case and then recognize one of the witnesses.
The judge is also accounting for the 16 peremptory jurors per side, so both the prosecution and defense can strike 16 jurors without explanation. There are bound to be similarities between Lori Vallow Daybell and Chad Daybell's case, but there also may be some big differences in store.
I think it's going to be interesting to see what happens the second time around.
So far, 20 jurors have been selected from the 3 pools that were sworn in. Proceedings resume tomorrow at 9 a.m. In Boise, I'm Savannah Hankard reporting.